Rolling camera and action.
Boss, you really want to get busted here?
That's
Look
right.
at all the people on the pier.
And I told
If
so
we
many
throw
times.
this head in the water, they're gonna call the cops, get our plate number. We'll be in jail in 10 minutes.
I told so
Alright,
many
open it
times.
up. Let me see
I
something.
told you so many times.
Open it up. Let me see something.
What do you want to see, boss?
I want to see you got the right fucking guy in here. Open
We
his
got
bag.
the right guy in here.
Open his fucking
Check
bag.
him, check
Open
him,
the fucking
check him.
bag.
Check him.
Go ahead. Pull the zipper. Go
Come
ahead.
on, boss.
Check
You
him
know
out.
we got the
Check
right
him out.
guy in
Check
here.
him out.
Go open that motherfucker.
This
Check him out.
fucking
Is
cornuto.
that him?
This fucking pezzo di merda. Come
that
on,
him?
boss.
You don't know.
Is that him?
Okay.
Pull.
That's it. Oh, that's got yeah. All right, let's get some like that. Let's go. Let's
Fuck out of here. I'll find a better place to dump this fucking jerk off.
Let's go. Let's go.
This is not a good location, boss.
Okay, boss.
Leave it up to me and Filippo, please.
Then we take
We don't need you to do the job. Especially on daylight.
All right.
Tomorrow we take this fucking pezzo di merda out on the boat. Fucking boat. Either that or we go over by the fucking, by the pier.
That's right.
Down in Atlantic City.
We don't have to go like this. Put the boat right here. Not too far out.
Okay.
We don't need it to go to Atlantic City. We got plenty of places to go. Right, boss?
Yeah, we got other places. I
All
just
right.
want to get rid of him because Louis the Ice is getting rid of the fucking body. He's got a bunch of bags, he told me.
Okay, but we take care of this. Don't worry about it. We gotta take care of this.
All right, you
Yes,
and
sir.
I've got to
We
get
gotta
rid of
take
this
care of
fucking head straight.
All right, in the meantime, let's get this fucking bitch back in the trunk. Prima che Emma finire in galera.
Yes, da tutto pieno.
Passai a gente. Okay, cut for a second.